You've seen these guys, the so-called experts who show up late, forget half their tools, and think a measuring tape is just a suggestion. You might have shared a lunch table or detention with them in high school. You wouldn't trust them pitching a tent. Do you really want them patching your roof? That's why you call us. Welcome to DryTech Exteriors, your trusted roofing, siding, and gutter experts. We're a Dayton family-owned business delivering quality and trust, offering detailed inspections and a personalized plan. Whether a hole in your roof or a whole new roof, we've got you covered. Our custom gutters and siding options enhance both function and aesthetics. And you don't have to sacrifice quality for price with our financing options. Established in our Dayton community and recognized for excellence, our reputation speaks for itself. Contact us today, and remember, if your roof's a wreck, call DryTech.